So I've been driving my motorhome about 12 hours. Started the day at the Crater of Diamond State Park in Murfreesboro, Arkansas. And right now I'm coming into Mobile. It's about 6 o'clock, about an hour after rush hour, and I'm heading for the Mobile Tunnel. On the right we can see a cruise ship. Got to watch this car on the right. It's coming up pretty fast. Unfortunately, it slowed down. Going down into the tunnel. The tunnel goes downhill for a long way, and then it flattens out at the bottom. The tunnel goes underneath Mobile Bay. And once you get near the bottom, you can see the brake lights come on as people slow down for reasons I don't understand. And then we have to speed back up to come up out of the tunnel. There's the light at the end of the tunnel. It's a pretty steep hill coming up out of the tunnel here. I'm going to have to downshift to get a little power. There's my V10 kicking in. And it's nice out here on Mobile Bay. We've got some clouds on the horizon. We started out as a sunny day, and this clouds on the horizon might be a problem. Now we're going to cross the Mobile Causeway. The causeway is about 8 to 10 miles long, and it goes across Mobile Bay. There's water on both sides. It's about 20 feet above the water. Speed limit is 55, which I'm doing. Everybody else is doing 65 or 70. Still going across the Mobile Causeway. Clouds on the horizon look a little bit bigger. The causeway is sea level, and when you reach the end of the causeway, you're going to go up to Spanish Ford up a hill. It looks like those clouds have darkened up, and that may be a water spout right out in the center of the screen there, where the sky is a lot lighter than it is above. Yep, it's starting to rain, and I'm hitting a construction zone with uneven lanes. I'm still doing the speed limit. Everybody else seems to be going faster. Now it's starting to rain a little bit harder. Still in that construction zone, still in the uneven lanes. My lane has just recently been paved. And now it's raining even harder. The windshield wipers on. Visibility is dropping pretty quick. The car's starting to pull over now. That tells you how bad it's going to get when cars start pulling over. Yeah, I'm going to pull over too. You know, in the motorhome, I'm pretty visible, but I don't want to get hit by somebody else who can't see me. I sat here on the shoulder about 5 minutes until the rain stopped. And I was going to stay here until the car in front of me moved. I didn't want to leave until he left. Looks like the rain is starting to slack off a little bit. Car in front of me is going, so I'm going to go. Check my mirrors, nobody's there, so I'm pulling out. While I was stopped, I checked the weather radar on my phone, and it looked like this front was going to run about 200 miles all the way from Pensacola to Tallahassee. Here it is again. The rain's picking up. Yeah, it's raining harder and harder. And we're still in the construction zone. Rain and construction zones really don't mix, especially you can't see the people out here, you can't see equipment that might be parked on the side of the road. And the wind's starting to blow. just barely see a car in front of me. They don't have their lights on. Not many other cars on the road. Nobody seems to be passing me. There goes one car. It's raining pretty hard. Got the windshield wipers running pretty fast, and you can see how heavy those drops are. We're still in a construction zone. Again, not many cars on the road. I haven't been passed in a while. Don't see any in front of me. There's another one. It just disappeared in the whiteout like a mist in the rain in front of me. Yeah, I've had enough. I was hoping to make a Pensacola tonight, but I'm not going to be able to make it. I'm going to take the next exit, find me a campground. Yeah, here's the exit. Looks like the rain's starting to stop. Maybe I ought to keep on going. I'm thinking maybe I ought to keep on going. But I saw the radar. It looks like it's going to rain for the next 200 miles. I'm just going to head for a campground. Here we are, Hilltop RV Park. And the rain's almost stopped. This RV park's got free Wi-Fi and might be a safe place to camp tonight. If the rain is stopping though, I might keep going. Wait a minute, it's starting up again. I think I'm going to camp here tonight.